Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Rena Chawla, faculty at Cerebellum Academy, and I'm so very happy to have with us Dr. Ruchika. She has recently cleared the FMG January 2026 with excellent marks of 209. Am I right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
congratulations to you and to your family. And I'm really happy. I've been taking interviews for like the last 2 hours or so, and everyone I meet is just giving such positive vibes, including you. It's
Yes,
so
ma'am.
nice to see, and I feel very proud to be able to speak to all of you. Messages पे तो reply करते रहते हैं, but I'm very happy to. I'm very honored to be here and speak to you individually. So, welcome, Ruchika. Tell us about yourself a bit and then tell us about your journey.
Hello, ma'am. First of all, I feel like this is my manifestation which is coming true. I never dreamt of anything like I want 200 plus or I want to clear the FMG exam. I just wanted to give an interview to one of my teachers. So I just feel
Oh,
like my
wow, nice.
manifestation is coming true right now, ma'am. And talking about myself, I'm Ruchika Sharma and I'm from Hyderabad. I studied in
Okay,
Georgia in Georgian National University,
okay,
SEU.
okay. Nice. And tell us about your journey. This was which attempt and how was your preparation? Tell us a bit about that.
This was my first attempt, ma'am.
Okay,
I
very
started
good.
preparing in Lap 1 itself. In Lap 1, we were
All
in
right.
Georgia. So at that time, I started my
Okay,
preparation.
okay,
At that time, we were on and
okay.
off. We were not that serious because we had our graduation going
Hmm,
on. And then we had only
hmm,
1 month left in Georgia. So we wanted to cover all bits and pieces
hmm,
of Georgia.
hmm.
So we were not
Okay.
that serious when we were in Georgia. But once I came back to India, I knew that I had to give it my all. And I started
Hmm.
seriously preparing from
Okay.
I think I came in August, so September I started preparing seriously.
Okay. 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 And so September means you had like seriously September, October, hardly 4 months. So how
Yes,
did
ma'am.
you manage everything and with such an excellent score in your first attempt? What most students have been telling me, you need at least 6 months to study. 4 months is like
Yes,
really,
ma'am.
really good to do all of this 19 subjects. Can you just tell us a bit how you managed everything in this short time?
Yes, ma'am. I feel my medicine, patho, and medicine, patho, micro were really good from the beginning. So it helped
Okay,
me because those
okay,
made my basics really clear. And OBGYN I had already studied twice. So this was very
okay.
easy for me. And surgery also, like I had studied earlier. It was not like I did
Hmm.
not study anything earlier. I studied
Hmm.
a few
Okay.
subjects. So other
Okay.
subjects were a little difficult, like anatomy. I struggled a lot with the first year subjects. There was such a headache for me.
I can
But still,
understand.
all
If
the
I
other
have to
clinical
go
ones
back
were
and
easy.
read a paraclinical, even now when I have to go back and read, sometimes it just is just so difficult.
Yes, ma'am. Like I struggled the most with the first year subjects because back in Georgia, whenever I used to open the paraclinical subjects, I just
Hmm.
close them. In nahi bhai nahi
Hmm.
padna hai abhi bolkar. And I
Hmm.
used to always get interest in all the clinical subjects like OBGYN, surgery, medicine. I loved,
Hmm.
and all of these subjects. So I think having medicine as your strength, it helped me a little to clear my basics. So in September, October, November, December, it was a little easy for me because I had my basics clear.
Okay, all right. So that's good. So, so your preparation actually started much before. And how did
Yes.
the mission classes help you with the journey?
The main reason I wanted to take the mission classes was because whenever I used to allot a particular time for a subject, for example, pathology, I used to take a
Hmm.
month to complete pathology, which was never
Okay.
needed. I used to
Yeah.
just procrastinate and I just wanted
Hmm.
to study the depth of it always. But
Hmm.
these mission
Hmm.
classes helped me like 3 दिन एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए भी कैसे भी complete करना है
Hmm. Hmm.
like that.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
the main reason for me to take these mission classes was just to keep me on track. That this is the time limit and you have to complete these
Yes.
the subject in this much time. So this
I
helped me,
agree. So,
especially the lab one.
yeah, so it's very important when right at the beginning to have a structure and a timetable in mind. And this helped you keep on track. And you are very right. I have had students who like spend a month on medicine and I got a month
Yes.
on pathology. Yes, it's very you become you feel like going into the depths of something once you start reading. Many students have this, that एक बार कुछ topic अच्छा लगा, you will try to go into the depths. But this is for an exam. For an exam, it's different. You have to be very focused. You should know what you want to read and how much you want to read, and how what is important for the exam. So I'm just deviating a bit. There's something called the Pareto's principle, or the 80-20 rule, or the 20-80 rule, that amongst so much of what what we have to study, 19 subjects, it's actually just 20% of what is actually important and what is going to come in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
exam.
I
And to
studied
know what
cardiology
is
for 1.5 month, only
so
medicine
I,
part.
so, so even when I start reading a subject, it's my habit. I tend to go into the depth of it. I'll pick up so many reference books and read from here and there because it just interests me. But you should know where to stop, and you should know what is
Yes, ma'am,
important, because
definitely.
the exam is like this. You can't read on and on and on. There, I mean, you can. It's not a bad habit, but when you have an exam in a few months, you
Yes,
have to be very, very
definitely.
focused. And this
Yes,
is
ma'am,
where
definitely.
this is how the classes help. What about your experience with giving MCQs and GTs and ENDs? What do you think, apart from keeping you on track, the mission classes, what else helped you?
Ma'am, first of all, I would really like to thank the person who invented the concept of late night PYQs. They were such a great help, ma'am, because you don't know, you just started like a game sort of thing, and you don't know, but
Yeah.
you just gain so much of knowledge from them.
Yes.
Because late night PYQs were truly a game changer. Like every day, I used to do late night PYQs, then I used to call my friend, and then we used to discuss. So,
Okay.
so
All
many,
right.
yes, ma'am. So many of those topics, the mistakes just stayed in my
Hmm.
mind.
Hmm.
So, late
Okay.
night PYQs were a game changer, and the GTs were the best.
Okay. That's good. That's good. And how many GTs did you give approximately, and how did you score in the GTs?
I gave all my GTs starting from September, ma'am.
Okay.
In my first GT, I scored 147.
Okay.
And in the
And in
last
your
GT,
last
which was
GT?
held like the FMG Mock 3, I think
Hmm.
I got around 212, something like that.
All
212,
right.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So I think
Yeah,
that
so my
mirrored
mark
your
was,
journey also.
yes, ma'am.
Right. That's good. That's good. Ruchika, tell us a bit more. What is your plan? What do you want to do in the future? And so of course you'll relax now and then you'll do your internship. But what are your future plans?
Ma'am, for now, I really look at myself like an obstetrician, ma'am. I love OBGYN. I really
Oh,
love
that's
that
really
subject.
nice.
Yes, ma'am, I love it since the third year, ma'am. Since I
Okay.
started studying about it, I love it. And my parents, they think that I'm going to be a gynecologist. And I'll be like, मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, please मुझे मत बोलो. Let me do
So as
internship.
parents, I think as Indian parents, if your daughter especially has done MBBS, they think bas gynae is like
Yes,
the
ma'am.
end thing,
They just
and
go on to
I'm
the relatives like she wants to become a gynecologist. I'm like, मेरे
yeah.
हाथ में नहीं है. Let me do internship first. Let me see how's the
No, but
experience.
I'm so
Stuff.
happy because many people don't want to take up gynae nowadays. I'm so happy to find a person who is saying कि yes,
I
gynae
love
lena hai.
gynecology, ma'am. It has always
I'm
been
so
my
happy.
strength. I love that subject
That's
a lot.
nice. That's nice. So I hope to be interacting with you more in the future then. And
Yes, ma'am.
and one before we go, Ruchika, just tell me because see, this interview is going to be watched by juniors and those who are going to be giving the exam in the next few months. One piece of advice from your journey that you want to give them, because everybody says it's a difficult exam, and yes, it's not an easy exam. I completely agree. The pass percentage is not very high. Things are probably becoming more and more difficult also in terms of
Yes, ma'am.
complexity of
Definitely.
questions. So, one advice you want to give the juniors who are listening to the interview?
Yes, ma'am. If there are any juniors who are still back in Georgia or any other foreign country, I would advise them to please start studying. Because after you come and you see 19 subjects and 6 months, you get really overwhelmed. You do not know where to start. Even though you have a plan, you do not know what to do. So I would recommend them to please start studying. At least start studying like one big subject or two big subjects and
Mm.
one or two medium subjects, and then short subjects they can study after they come, but at least the
Yeah.
medium and the big subjects they should start studying at least
Okay.
when they have at least 1 year left. And once they are here and once they are focused only on FMG, then I would recommend them, if you're following Cerebellum, just follow it like a Bible. You have to just, they are giving us so much, just follow whatever they are telling you. If they are giving you live classes, if you're not able to join the live classes, do it in the morning, read it, do the late night PYQ, sleep. That's all. And one of my junior was asking me, and I told the same things. Do the live, early morning just read the videos, late night
Yes,
do
yeah.
the PYQs. That's all. You have to do nothing else other than this.
Correct. Ruchika, that's a very important point. You said that you should start studying much earlier
Yes,
because
ma'am,
you know that
definitely.
the structure and the syllabus, the way of teaching is, of course, and the way the exam comes is very different in different countries. So not as to feel overwhelmed when you come finally back and you start studying and you open your books and you find you feel lost. A good idea is to start much before,
Yes, ma'am.
and especially with the larger subjects, it'll make you more familiar with how things are in India, and that's a very, very important point you've told us. And of course, a timetable, a structure is very important, which Cerebellum does provide in a very
Yes, ma'am.
in a very good way. So thank you, Ruchika.
Thank you so
Lovely
much,
talking
ma'am.
to you. Lovely talking to you,
And
and
also,
all the
like, one
best for
advice I
your
want to
future.
give to them
Yeah,
is just to
yeah, yeah.
believe in God, ma'am. Because I remember this exam was really tough. When I came out of the exam, I was like, literally, why God? Why did you give us such tough paper? Because while giving the paper to, my hands were literally shivering. The whole
Mm.
paper too, I was crying. I don't know. I was
Yeah,
just feeling so lost. Like, why am I even giving this paper? But I just believed in God, and I knew that somewhere, because I studied earlier, it had helped me. So i
right,
just
right.
i just didn't believe in yourself. If not anyone, just believe in yourself and
Yeah.
start studying earlier.
Correct. So
Yes, ma'am.
believe in God, believe in yourself, I feel is equally important,
Yes,
if
ma'am,
not more.
definitely.
I mean, if you worked hard and if you've been consistent,
Yes,
uh,
ma'am.
the exam is just a stepping stone. इतना मुश्किल जो कहते हैं, actually इतना मुश्किल है
Yes,
नहीं if
ma'am.
you have belief in yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know what I did in paper two. Like, whenever I watch the recalls and all, I don't remember what I did.
Yeah.
But you have that instinct somewhere
Yes,
in your
yes,
mind that
yes.
I have, and perform as much MCQs as you can.
Right, right,
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
right. Ruchika, thank you so much. Lovely advice.
Thank you
Lovely
so much,
speaking to
ma'am.
you,
Thank you
and
so much, ma'am.
hoping to stay in touch with you again in the
Yes,
future.
ma'am. Thank you
Okay,
so much,
bye. Good
ma'am.
night.
Good
Bye,
night, ma'am.
bye.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.